Well, more clouds this afternoon, but we're promising more sunshine here next several days. Maybe some high clouds toward the end of the weekend. But temperatures are still headed upwards. 13 weather ball is red tonight. Warmer weather ahead right on through the weekend. We'll hold off on the humidity until later on next week. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Can you tell where the clouds and showers were today? High temperatures over in the Detroit area, mid and upper 60s to near 70. Further west you go, it was in the mid and upper 70s, including 78 here in Grand Rapids, a couple of degrees warmer than our average high. Came within 2 degrees our forecast high, and we've done that 6 days in a row. And we've put now 2 days above average. We'll put several more of those warmer than average days after those 5 really chilly days earlier this week. A lot of high clouds coming up from the south. These are the tops of some showers that are heading away from West Michigan. Now, this evening, there could be a pop-up sprinkle or a very light shower here in West Michigan, but the chances of rain are very, very small in any one location. Even these showers back to the west are falling apart. So we've got several dry days coming up. No real threat of significant rain across the area. Upper level winds continue to keep us slightly cooler than our earlier this month when we were earlier last month. We were in the 80s, but once this jet stream starts to flatten out along about Saturday, it's going to start to bring in some warmer air from the southwest U.S. And with this kind of weather pattern, it's blocking pretty much any precipitation until later on next week, maybe as early as Tuesday afternoon, but more likely Wednesday and Thursday. Temperatures, you can watch this march of the temperatures come across the upper Midwest where it's in the 80s and 90s. It starts getting a little bit closer here by Saturday, Sunday. Bulk of the warm air is right in through here, and it kind of sticks around over the eastern 3/4 of the country, topping out into the mid and upper 90s to 101 there on Thursday in Pierce, South Dakota. Because of our scattered showers and storms later on next week, we'll probably be in the muggy mid and upper 80s, very summer-like weather despite the lack of 90s. Hour by hour, you can see by 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, there are a couple of sprinkles trying to pop up, but most of the rain is going to stay well to our south and east. More clouds to the south overnight than off to the north, where it may be mostly clear, and we'll see a good deal of sunshine here during the day tomorrow. So the forecast calling for sunny skies up north, mostly sunny down to the south. We'll be in the mid and upper 70s with a south wind. That's why downwind of Lake Michigan north of Muskegon, it's just a couple of degrees cooler. Up around 80 around US 10, a little bit south of there. 82 in Fremont, 81 in Greenville. And departing high clouds in the morning here in the southeastern zones. Highs tomorrow into the low 80s. 13 on your side forecast. Jumping to 85 Friday, a little bit breezy on Saturday and 89. We'll hit 91 Sunday now and 92 on Monday as the humidity starts to creep in. Now going to have a chance of an afternoon thunderstorm on Tuesday. Best chances will still be Wednesday, Thursday into Friday as it gets very humid. Dew points will climb out of the 60s into the 70s late next week. And then the rain ends, but it stays very warm the following Saturday and possibly Sunday as well.